things that are happening all the time. But if you've got repeated behaviour that you're concerned about, you need to get this out and actually see what's going on beforehand. So that is a tool that you have got. And it can even be like the family might have had a big something the night before, so that could, you know, so the child.
No, if you wanted to come sit here, then you're going to have to share with her because she can reach your plate.
Can she reach it?
Yeah, look, she put it back.
Did she put it back for me? Thanks, Ariel.
Hello. Okay. Turn around. Hello.
I'm not scared.
What are you doing?
Give
What are you doing?
us all a photo.
Boo.
Ariel can play with that one.
It's a good girl. One each, eh?
I've seen on the block.
You were sitting on the block.
Yeah. It's a two block.
Can you stack up the monkeys? Pardon?
Pardon?
Can you stack up the monkeys?
No.
No? Here's Lilia. Hello. Boo.
What we got in there?
Ariel. Ariel. Hi. Hi.
Are you in? Oh, wow. Can the swing get out?
Yeah. Ariel's on the swing.
Swing.
Whee.
Swing.
She's got a mustache.
It's having a good time.
You painting? You painting? Hi. Are you eating it? You doing a painting? Nom nom nom. Battery's gonna die. Am I doing it? Yeah. Oh dear. Hey, hey, you spraying me. Cheeky. Stop, stop, stop. Ah, stop. Oh, lucky. You nearly stood on me. Your turn next, or you have to ask Lilia. Where are they? Boo! Hi! I lost them again. Hello? Boo. Ariel. Hi! Lilia. Hi! Ariel. Hi! Yeah.
We're hiding. Hide out.
Where they gone?
Sorry, they got dead.
Dad say where they gone,
Where
Dad?
are they going?
Boo! Boo!
Say boo.
Boo!
Hi.
Oh no!
Go this way. Go this way.
Oh yeah.
Way.
Hey!
I see a pasta on Mom.
What for? Oh. Any blood?
Yes.
Where?
On this way.
Can you see two?
Yeah.
What about down here?
Mom.
Yeah, one. So there's two up there and one down there. So how many is there altogether?
1, 2,
And
3.
yeah. They're pretty big fat caterpillars, aren't they?
Are they eating?
Yeah, they're eating the plant. They don't look very big on camera.
Huh?
They don't look very big on camera. Alright, Ariel, we're coming. Off to the library.
Not the library. What's this one?
Okay, hang on.
We have cards at home.
Yeah,
What's on my boy?
that's alright. It's just dust off the ground.
Huh?
It's just dust off the ground.
That's what. Well,
Yeah, it's okay.
is it okay to put?
Watch out. Be careful. It's okay. It's alright.
What's here?
It's just a bit of a lean.
Huh?
It's just a bit of a lean.
The other wing?
Yep, go up that way a bit more.
Up. Ah! I see the library.
I see it too.
That's the library.
Yeah, you really should have your helmet on.
Huh?
Mum should have made you wear your helmet, huh?
Where's my helmet?
We forgot it at home.
On the toilet.
Yeah, you should be wearing it. Mummy bad.
Huh?
That's a my bad. Mummy fail moment. You see the library?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's there?
It's alright.
What's there?
Just a hill. It's just a hill. Do you see the library? Alright, so today we have our helmet on.
Yes.
So I win on that one,
Yes.
but we're in our pajamas.
Okay.
I'm talking to Gran.
Talking to them.
Yeah, I'm telling her on the camera. Because I'm going to put a video on for Gran and Grandad to see. Yeah, you going to say hi, Gran?
Hi, Gran.
Good girl.
I said hi, Gran.
Yeah.
Oh, is that Papa Gran?
Yeah, that was Papa. Hello. So we're very, very, very slowly making our way to... Where are we going, Lilia? To the dairy to get Dad to top up. And then where are we going?
To the park.
To the park. What's at the park?
Swing.
And?
That's right.
Yeah.
The seesaw.
That's right.
Are we going to the dairy?
Yeah, we're going to the dairy.
And where are you going?
To the dairy and in the park.
And then the park and the dairy?
Yeah, we need to walk faster because Ariel's getting sick of how slow we're going. We're getting there. And someone didn't want to wear shoes today, so we're in bare feet. Hey. Lilia. Lilia, what can you hear?
Cicadas.
The what?
Cicadas.
The cicadas?
Yes.
What is it?
Cicadas.
Good girl.
Motion shots.
You see the ducks? You see the ducks? Good throw.
And flowing down.
Yeah.
And mine flowing down.
He got a big bit and took off with it. You know, they were following him.
Woohoo!
You say woohoo.
I did.
I'm feeding them.
You're feeding them.
Yeah.
What are they saying?
They say food.
Food! Look, Lilia. Look at all the sparrows.
What they doing?
They want some food too.
The Lone Ranger over there.
Hey.
Look at that. It'll be all one piece and they all go away and eat it by themselves. The seagulls and shit, they'll swallow it whole and then go to try and take somebody else's.
What is it?
Cow.
Yeah. It's a pretty looking cow, isn't it?
And a hop on it.
I don't know if we're allowed to hop on there.
She has her own route.
Yeah.
I'm going to see the fish.
A zebra.
What is that?
It's a turtle body and a dragon head.
Yeah. She'd go ahead.
I was jumping on here.
Yeah, you got wet, huh? Just a little bit. There's a what?
Another bee.
A bee.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna check it.
No, 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 no. Don't touch it because if it still has its sting in, it might go in your hand. Thank you, though, for trying to help her.
Bee out there. Is the bee okay, Mommy? Is the bee down and happy in the water? I'm sitting down and I'm happy in the water.
You're happy. There was the babies. What you doing?
I'm getting wet.
You're getting all wet. Oh, lovely.
Is that okay to get wet?
It is okay to get wet.
And then we'll get muddy.
And you'll get muddy. You love to get muddy, don't you?
I'll put our bridge across again.
Hello.
I'm gonna get it.
How many do you usually have on a Friday?
Sometimes it can seem full, and then other times there's only a few of us. Oh, you can't reach the boat.
It's a boat.
You can't reach it.
Okay.
Oh. Ariel, what have you got? What have you got? She's trying to get in there.
She's trying to get in there.
She was standing there. Then she sat down.
Yeah, she did it on Monday too. Yeah. Probably.
I just turned around. So I was digging and digging. I turned around. Lilia goes, Daddy's in it. And I turned around. I said, how did you even get up there?
Are we doing puzzles? Hello? Oh, are you jealous? Has Mum got another bubba?
Would you like to put the cord? Pull out.
Hey!
Do it.
I've got a bubba.
Pull, go. Pull. Good girl. Pull. Well done.
Hey.
Well done. Very good. Should we say bye to us?
Oh no!
Wow.
Hey. Okay. You see what your sister's doing?
Oh, James, darling.
What you doing?
I mean the cheese.
Just eating the ingredients. Yum, 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 yum. Cheese.
Fishbowl.
A fresh what?
Another fishbowl, please.
What is it?
Then you can take that home. Girl. Oh, who was on this side? Who was on this side?
Yours is warm too. That's good. Yeah?
Maybe I made it too much.
Paint on your hands. Oh.
I'm going to take Austin's picture and I'll put another piece of paper. Do you want to make a paper? I'm not even interested in painting anymore.